Okay, hey guys. I was on my PS3 yesterday with no problems playing GTA 5 online in lobbies and stuff. And I'm trying to find videos right now. I'm on this guy's YouTube channel. My PS3 seems to make like fucking weird noises, like it's gonna eject, like making ejecting noises, or just weird noises I don't hear. Like if I be quiet, you're gonna hear it. Okay, so I don't know if you guys heard that, but it just makes weird noises after like 10 seconds. So if you guys can fucking help me out here, because I don't know what the hell is going on. Yesterday I was playing with no problem, but now it's like I went inside the PS3, went all inside where the motherboard is, fixed it, dusted it all out. The fan's better, it's just now the disc is just, I don't know what's going on, it's just making noises. So if you guys can help me out, that would be really great so I can fix my PS3 and play with you guys. So just go in the comments below and help me out. Thanks.